Hello students, today we have to start with part 3, chapter digestion, chapter number 6, class 4 science. The learning objectives or the topics which we are going to cover in this part is teeth, parts of tooth, layers of tooth, types of teeth, tooth decay and care of teeth. First is teeth. You all know how teeth are important. In human lifespan, we have two sets of teeth. The first is milk teeth and the second is permanent teeth. Milk teeth appear when the baby is 6 months old, and as soon as the baby is 3 years old, he or she is having 20 milk teeth. So number goes to 20. These are known as temporary teeth. Why temporary teeth? Because they fall down and they are replaced by a new set of teeth known as permanent teeth. In babies, they are milk teeth, and in an adult one, they are known as permanent teeth because they have replaced their milk teeth with permanent teeth. You can see in the picture first, the baby is showing two small milk teeth. In the second picture, the baby has lost his front tooth. Now, coming to permanent teeth, at the age of 12 or 13, the children develop set of permanent teeth. Now, these permanent teeth are 28 in number, and later when an adult person goes to 17 to 25, 4 wisdom tooth also appear and the number goes to 32. So, an adult set contains 32 teeth. We have two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Now, coming to the parts of tooth, there are three parts of a tooth: crown, neck and root. Crown is the part which is visible when we open our mouth. So, the visible part of tooth which is covered with gum is known as crown. Now, look at the picture. After the crown, there is a slight curve there. This part is known as neck. So neck is the curved part between crown and root. Root is the last part which is embedded in the gum, which is not seen. Our teeth are so strong that we cannot move it because they are embedded or strongly fitted in the gum. After parts of tooth, we need to learn about different layers of tooth. There are 3 layers of tooth: enamel, dentine and pulp. What is enamel? The hardest and shiny layer. Out of the 3 layers, the hardest is enamel, which protects the inside part of tooth. The second layer is dentine. Dentine is under enamel and it makes the largest part of tooth. Pulp is the softest part because it has blood vessels and nerve endings. See the picture clearly. You can see the blood vessels and nerve endings in the pulp part. Different types of teeth. We have different types of teeth. The teeth are different because they perform different functions. They have different shapes, different numbers. Now first is incisor. The front 4 teeth in each jaw, they are known as incisor. Their function is to cut the food. They are very much sharp. Next is canine. Canine are 2 in each jaw. 2 in each jaw means 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Pointed and sharp. They are at the side of incisors, and their function is to tear the food. This is mostly important in carnivorous animals. Then is your premolars. Premolars are 4 in each jaw. They are bigger, stronger and have ridges. They have to crack the food, crush the food. The last is molars. Molars are 6 in each jaw. They are very much wider and stronger than premolars because they have to perform the major function, that is to grind the food. You come to the picture, different colors are here to represent different types of teeth. In the first part, upper and the lower jaw is visible, and you can clearly see the different shapes of different types of teeth. Now, after the importance of teeth, I'm going to tell you about tooth decay. Decay is damage of teeth. There can be several reasons for it. Damage of tooth is the result of bacterial infection. When we eat food and we do not brush at night, our food stays in the mouth and acid is produced, bacteria act on it, and foul smell, pain in your teeth, and loss of teeth. This is the result of not taking care of our teeth. A yellow colored layer is present in our mouth, which is the result of our carelessness. So that yellow layer is known as plaque, and which starts the damage of our teeth. It is quite visible in the picture. We have to take care of our teeth. How? Let's see. Brushing our teeth twice a day. 2 times we have to brush our teeth, in the morning and at night. Using dental floss. We have to use dental floss in order to take out whatever is left in between our teeth after eating food. Visiting dentist on a regular basis. After 6-7 months, we should go to doctor and get our teeth checked. Avoid sugary snacks. We should not eat too much of toffees, chocolates and sweets. Taking proper diet rich in calcium and vitamin C. Calcium and vitamin C, they help you to make your teeth strong. So we need to take a lot of calcium and vitamin C in our diet. This was all about what kind of teeth we are having, what is the number, and how we can take care of our teeth. Thank you.